You wake up at 3 a.m. You lie there in the dark, staring at the ceiling, stressing about how exhausted you're going to be tomorrow. You think your brain is malfunctioning. You label it insomnia. You fight it. But what if you aren't broken at all? What if your biology is actually executing a flawless 300,000-year-old program? Welcome to Dr. Eazylife. Today we are rewiring how you view rest. We're going to decode an ancient high-performance sleep mechanism that modern society destroyed with the flip of a light switch. Understanding this rhythm won't just cure your midnight anxiety, it will unlock a forgotten state of mental clarity and hyper-focus. To understand your sleep, you have to look backwards. For 99.9% of human history, sunset meant a total system shutdown. If you moved at night, you became food. But then humans harnessed fire. And fire didn't just keep predators away, it completely restructured our psychology. During the day, our ancestors' brains were locked into survival mode. But at night, inside the 30-foot circle of safety created by a campfire, the brain shifted gears. Anthropologists studying the Kalahari Bushmen found that 81% of nighttime conversation was storytelling, complex problem-solving, and myth-building. Fire gave us extra hours to expand our psychological boundaries and imagine the future. But the real secret to human performance lies in what happened after the fire burned down. In 2001, historian Roger Eckerch uncovered a massive biological secret buried in over 500 historical texts. Humans were never naturally designed to sleep in one continuous 8-hour block. They slept in two phases. They went to bed shortly after sunset for a first sleep of about 4 hours. Then they woke up in the middle of the night for a couple of hours, followed by a second sleep until dawn. Science proved it in 1992. Psychiatrist Thomas Ware plunged volunteers into 14 hours of nightly darkness. Within weeks, their biological systems underwent a complete hard reset. Without a single prompt, every participant automatically reverted to this exact ancient pattern. 4 hours asleep, a couple of hours awake, 4 hours asleep. So what did they do during those wakeful hours in the middle of the night? They optimized their minds. During this midnight gap, the human brain produces elevated levels of prolactin, the exact same hormone responsible for deep meditation and relaxation. A 16th century doctor even advised that this quiet window was the ultimate time for deep study and accelerated learning techniques, simply because the mind was completely still. It was a distinct, high-performance state of consciousness, a built-in period for the brain to consolidate data, reflect on the day, and protect its mental boundaries before diving into the second half of recovery. Then came the light bulb. Today, we flood our retinas with artificial blue light at 11 p.m. Your brain interprets this as high noon. It violently suppresses your melatonin production and shatters a circadian rhythm that took evolution millions of years to perfect. We didn't just delay our bedtimes, we eliminated an entire phase of human consciousness. And now, when that ancient programming flares up and wakes you at 2 a.m., you panic. You flood your system with cortisol, completely destroying any chance of returning to a restful state. It is time to stop fighting your biology and start mastering it. If you wake up in the middle of the night, do not grab your phone. Do not flood your eyes with blue light. Stop stressing. Recognize this moment for what it is, your brain entering a natural, highly receptive, meditative state. Use those quiet moments. Breathe. Let your subconscious process the day. By accepting this rhythm instead of fighting it, you neutralize your anxiety and transition smoothly back into your second sleep, so you wake up fully recharged and relentlessly efficient. Rewire your environment, respect your biology, and you will unlock levels of daily performance most people only dream of. If this completely changed how you view sleep, hit that like button. Subscribe to Dr. Eazylife for more ways to optimize your mind, your productivity systems, and your daily performance. Stay sharp, stay efficient, and take control of your life. See you in the next one.